Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Junior Preschool. Your Kalani teacher is here. Today we are going to learn the new digraph. And our new digraph is ch. Okay, here letter C and letter H comes together and make a single sound, that is ch. Okay, and the action for this digraph is just like this. Show me your palm and put your palm like this in front of each other and just rotate it as a train is juggling. Ch, 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 ch. Okay, this is the action, and the story behind this action and this sound is that there are some children. They went for a trip. They went for a trip through a steam train. Everyone sit in that train and the train starts, and at that time the train starts, the train juggling and making a sound like this. Ch, 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 ch. Yes, the steam comes out and the whistle blows, and that train, when whistle blows, the train makes sound choo choo. Yes, this is the story behind this action and this sound. And also there are some words where this digraph comes. Some are with me. We go through that words. The first word is chat. Chat. The next one is chest. Chest. The next one is chess. Chess. The next one is check. Check. These are words where this digraph comes, and these digraph also have a jingle. Everyone sing along with me. Let's start. Trains are chugging up the hill. Ch, 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 ch. Trains are chugging up the hill. Ch, 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 choo choo. Yes. So everyone repeat the action and sound. Thank you.